Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adenike again. How are you doing? In today's video, I'll be showing you how I cook my Nigerian Buka stew. Guys, this recipe is so good, is so delicious and easy. And as you can see, I have all my ingredients ready. I have my pepper mix, I have my pomo, I have my meat, I have my onion, chopped onion, I have my palm oil, I have my seasoning cube, curry and thyme, and salt. And in my pepper mix, I have combination of tomato, red bell pepper, onion, and ginger, and also habanero pepper. And in my meat, I will be using goat meat, I'll be using shaki and beef. Guys, you are going to like this recipe. You need to try it out, and especially with the flavor of the palm oil, you are going to like it. So guys, let's start cooking. I also want to appreciate my new subscriber for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And also my old subscriber for staying there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you are coming across my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. So firstly, I will be cooking my meat, my goat's meat with my shaki for like 15 minutes before adding my beef. And also, don't forget to wash your meat thoroughly to avoid sand and everything. And I forgot to add my chopped onion to my cooking meat, but later when I want to bleach my oil, I'm going to add the chopped onion. So now I'm going to add all my seasoning, curry, thyme, and salt to the meat and cover for 15 minutes. So lovely, don't forget to add water to your meat for meat stock. So I need to add more water to my cooking meat so I can have more meat stock, and cover this, as I say, for 15 to 25 minutes. So guys, my meat is done, like soft, and also you can see I have more meat stock. I'm going to take out the meat now in a separate bowl, and also the meat stock in a separate bowl, because I will be using the meat stock to cook my stew, my buka stew. So guys, I'm going to add my palm oil to the pot, and I'm going to allow my palm oil to heat up for like 10 minutes. And don't forget, you don't need to bleach your palm oil. Don't bleach your palm oil, just for you to get that local taste. If you over bleach your palm oil, you are not going to get the local taste of Buka stew. Add your chopped onion to the palm oil and allow to fry for 5 minutes before adding your pepper mixed. And don't forget, after adding your pepper mixed, I normally add my pomo and cover to cook for another 15 minutes. Just to let you know guys, you can eat your Buka stew with any side. I mean your favorite side. You can eat it with amala, you can eat it with eba, with pando yam, with any swallow, and also you can eat this with plain rice. I mean your white rice. You are going to love it. And after adding my pepper mix now, I'm going to add my meat stock. Don't forget, we have our meat stock. You're going to add your meat stock, mix together very well, add your pomo and cover for another 10 minutes. After cooking my stew for 10 minutes, I will be adding my seasoning cube, my salt, and any seasoning of your choice. You can add it now and cover again for another 5 to 10 minutes before adding your meat. Guys, this is the time I've been waiting for. This is time to add your meat, your orishi, your goat meat, your shaki, and your beef. And don't forget, my pomo is already in this stew. You add this, stir together. You can taste if you need to add more salt or seasoning cube, and cover to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, guys, you can see this. Oh my god, this is so good. This is so yummy. As you can see, I'll be eating this with amala. Just get your plate ready. This is looking so yummy. So yummy. Guys, you need to try this recipe. You need to try this and comment down below. Guys, you need to comment, like and share this video. This is Ibadan local Buka stew. Even the aroma, My amala and my gbegiri is ready, and so I'm going to be dishing it out. As you can see, my amala is here. I'll be adding my ewedu, and inside my ewedu I have iru, I have egusi. Maybe next time I'm going to show you how I make my ewedu and my gbegiri. I'm going to add my salted meat on it, that is goat meat. I'm going to add momo, shaki and beef. Come and join me. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.